Hello and welcome to Kids Coloring Land. Today I am going to draw a beautiful drawing. I love drawing and painting. Let's draw with me. I hope you will enjoy drawing and painting. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now comes to most exciting part, coloring. Let's start coloring. Brown color. Let's paint with brown color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. If you like my work, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.